Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful angel applique step by step. This charming little angel is perfect for Christmas decorations, handmade gifts, greeting cards, ornaments, or adding a special touch to your crochet projects. Before we get started, if you enjoy crochet tutorials, patterns, and creative inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future projects. Now grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's make this adorable angel applique together. If you are having trouble with the abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles and select your preferred language. Begin by making a slip knot, then chain 3. Next, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. Now chain 30. Work one slip stitch. Chain 1. In same space, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Now turn your work slightly and crochet along the opposite side of the foundation chain. Make another half double crochet increase by working 2 half double crochet stitches into the same space. Chain 1 and turn your work. For row 2, simply make 4 half double crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn. For row 3, again work 4 half double crochet stitches. Then chain 4 and turn. Now we're ready for row 4. Working in the back loops only, make 1 double crochet stitch. Next, work 2 triple crochet increases, placing 2 triple crochet stitches into each stitch. Next, do 1 double crochet increase. Chain 3 and turn. On row 5, crochet 8 double crochet stitches across. Chain 2 and turn. For row 6, work 9 half double crochet stitches. Chain 2 and turn one last time. Now for the final row. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Then repeat the following 4 times. Chain 3. Skip the next stitch and make a slip stitch into the following stitch. This creates the delicate decorative loops. Finish by chaining 2, make one final slip stitch, fasten off your yarn, and weave in the ends. Pay attention. The front of the angel will have this raised line. Now I will show you how to crochet the angel wings. For the left wing, we will join to the body at point 1, then work one slip stitch at point 2. For the right wing, we will join to the body at point 3, then work one slip stitch at point 4. Do a slip knot. Chain 7. Join with body with one slip stitch in point 1. Then do 1 slip stitch in point 2. Now work on the 7 chains and do 2 half double crochet stitches. Next do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 2 half double crochet stitch. Do 1 single crochet stitch. In last one, do 1 slip stitch. Chain 2, then in same space, do 1 double crochet stitch. Chain 1. Work on the other side of chains and repeat 3 times. 1 single crochet. Chain 1, then do 1 triple crochet stitch. Chain 1 and repeat 2 more times. Make 1 final slip stitch, fasten off your yarn, and weave in the ends. For the right wing, start with a slip knot and chain 7. Join with body with 1 slip stitch in point 3. Then do 1 slip stitch in point 4. Repeat 3 times. Chain 1, then do 1 triple crochet stitch. Chain 1, then do 1 single crochet stitch and repeat 2 more times. Chain 1, then in last one, do 1 double crochet stitch. Chain 2, then in same space, do 1 slip stitch. Work on the other side of chains and do 1 single crochet stitch. Next, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Next, do 2 half double crochet stitches. End with 1 slip stitch in the same point where you join the wing with the body and fasten off. For the head, we use a 20mm wooden ball, either plain or with a face drawn on it. And your angel applique is finished. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how your angel turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!